Hey everybody, it's Andy Baryer here, Handy Andy, and we're going to be doing an unboxing video today. This is from a company you might not have heard of. It's called MiLi. They're based out in China and they make really cool products. I've been using them for years, and today we're going to take a look at the MiLi 2. This is basically a wireless charging table lamp. So you can charge your phone and you get some lighting options. Makes it perfect for your desk or at your bedside. So I'm just going to quickly open this up. And we'll see what's inside, how it looks. Maybe even turn it on. I got some power here. All right, take that out. And here we go. Ta-da. There it is. So I'm assuming this is LED lighting. Yep. Take that off. So this is pretty cool. Right from the start, you can see it's adjustable. One thing, and I think you can do it over here, is be able to adjust the temperature, because the thing about LED lights, it's a great lighting source. It's, you know, low power, but you want to be able to change the temperature, especially at nighttime. If you're trying to go to sleep, you want to kind of replicate the lighting of the sunset. And that tells your body what to do when it's time to go to sleep. Okay, so we got the charging cable. I'm just going to try to see how this all plugs in together. We'll quickly turn this on, and then maybe, I was thinking actually right over here, I'm in my Airbnb suite. It's like kind of a high-tech suite. And so I'm always putting high-tech products in, and this might be good for just right over there for guests. Because if you have a phone that supports wireless charging, you can put it right here at nighttime. Now I should mention, this is only 5 watts. Let me see if this can be adjusted. It's only 5 watts of wireless charging, so if you're not going to get a quick charge, but it does make it good to put at nighttime. Let's see. Okay, I would imagine. Oh, this is interesting. On the back is also a USB output, so you can charge something else as well. Okay, maybe I'll put it on this side. I've got some power right here. Let's see how this turns on. It's kind of just falling a little bit. Oh, it looks like yeah, see, it's got some slots here, so I should be able to tighten that up with the slotted flathead. Okay, so that's nice. Let's try to adjust the temperatures. This thing, I'm gonna have to adjust this. It's not that tight. Okay. So I can see, maybe I can show it to camera. I don't know if that's going to come up or not, but I think that's the brightness. Oh, no, this is brightness. Yeah, so it does get very, very bright. And then you can change the temperature, I would imagine. There we go, yeah. So you're changing the temperature as well. Now, all you gotta do is put your phone on here at nighttime and you're good to go. So again, this is from MiLi. It's their MiLi 2. And we just did an unboxing, and maybe I'll hook it up there and see how it looks. But I'm definitely gonna have to adjust it right over here because it does wanna fall over, but I think you can tighten that to get it exactly where you want it. But it's a nice LED light, I gotta say. Makes it perfect for the bedside or even at your desk while you're working. Put your phone away, it'll charge, and you'll be good to go. Don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. If you like tech, if you like unboxing videos, how to, DIY, you just wanna become a better person, you're gonna wanna subscribe. Handy Andy signing out.